Hi guys, today we are going to learn about prepositions of time. At, on, or in. What's the difference? We will also have a grammar exercise. Alright, at is for a specific time like at 9 p.m., at 7 p.m., at 7 o'clock. Alright? And at is also used for a holiday period like at Christmas, at Thanksgiving, at New Year's Eve. Alright? Next, on is used for days like on Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturday. And on is also used for dates like on March 19th, on March 1st. Alright? Next, in. In is used for months and years, like in January, in June, in 1945, in 2024. In is also used for decades and centuries. Example, the 1960s, the 21st century. And in also used for season, time period, like in winter, in summer, in 2 hours, in 10 minutes. Okay, let's see some examples here. I get up blank 7 o'clock. The keyword here is 7 o'clock. It is a specific time, so the answer is at. I get up at 7 o'clock. Next, I will visit you blank Wednesday. It is a day, Wednesday. So we use on. I will visit you on Wednesday. Next, my birthday is blank January. January, the keyword here is January. It is a month. So we use in. My birthday is in January. Next, they sing carols blank Christmas. It is a holiday period, right? So we use at. They sing carols at Christmas. It is easy, right? They sing carols at Christmas. Next, his birthday is blank March 27th. March 27th is a date. Okay, so we use on. My birthday is on March 27th. The meeting is blank the 16th. It is a date, 16th. So we use on. The meeting is on the 16th. Next, life was difficult blank the 1940s. 1940s, decade. Alright? So we use in for decade. Life was difficult in the 1940s. Next, the Titanic sank blank 1912. It is a year, right? Year. We use in. Next, we are living blank the 21st century. It is century, right? We use in for century. So the answer is in. Next, we go to the beach blank summer. Summer is a season. So we use in for season. Next, the meeting starts blank 10 minutes. The keyword here is 10 minutes. 10 minutes means time period. Alright? So we use in. The meeting starts in 10 minutes. Next, she will be here blank 3 hours. The keyword here is 3 hours. It means time period again, okay? So we use in. She will be here in 3 hours. Next, there were many hippies blank the 60s. The 60s means decade, okay? So what's the answer? The answer is there were many hippies in the 60s. Next, Shakespeare was born blank 1564. It is year, right? So Shakespeare was born in 1564. Next, come and visit us blank Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a holiday period, right? So, what's the answer? Now it's your turn to answer. Comment below. Let me know in the comment it is at or on or in. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful for you, please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.